In the previous video, we demonstrated that disk failures do not affect workloads running on the Arcfra cluster. In this demo, we will simulate a single node failure to test its impact on service VMs, thereby validating the reliability of the Arcfra cluster's high availability. First, we deployed several virtual machines in the cluster to simulate a production environment. For this demo, we have hosted 5 service VMs on node 156. We also ensured that high availability is enabled for all of them, and currently, all VMs are running normally. Next, we log into the HPE ILO Management Console for node 156. By launching the remote console, we can clearly see that the node is currently up and running. Now, in the console, we initiate a forced power off to simulate an unexpected server failure. In the Arcfra Operations Center, we can see that node 156 is now offline and unhealthy. The VMs running on it are actively failing over to the other 2 healthy nodes through the high availability mechanism, where they are running normally. Through the high availability mechanism, all workloads were migrated to nodes 157 and 158, where they were automatically rebooted and restored to service. We log back into node 156 SBMC console to power on the node. Once the node is finished booting up, we will see that the system status is normal, and all service VMs are running properly. Thank you for watching.